Has there ever been a more hotly anticipated Albion season than this? New season, new dawn, new adventures, and it all starts here at the Amex. Well, Pedro falls, and it comes for Gross, who tucks it back. It should be 1-0, and it's missed. Welbeck lines it up, and Welbeck flashes one. Thomas cross, March, 1-0. Albion are up and running for the new season. Brighton really motoring here, Welbeck, and he's hit the post. Or Gross, who went for the near post. Pedro goes down under the challenge from Lockyer, penalty given. Smartly done from Pedro, he beats Kaminski. Brown across, Luton want a handball, and the penalty has been given. Morris rolls it in, Luton back in the game, and they have their first ever Premier League goal. Down the line he goes, Nakamba tracks him, and Nakamba brings him down. Estepinian onto his left, Estepinian, Kaminski is stretched but makes the stop. And Adingra, 3-1. Oh, what an error. Ferguson curls it off the post. Goes Estepinian, players to aim for in the middle, across it goes, it's 4-1. Ferguson converts. That's it. Albion start with a win. It ends Albion 4, Luton 1.